Hello! Today we are going into the world of robot vacuum cleaners. So,
Are all vacuum cleaners robots?
no, not
They
all.
sort of are because they're mechanical and then they suck up stuff by themselves.
True, but you have to push them round. Anyway, we'll get on to that in a moment. All we've got to say is roll titles! So today we are looking at this. This is the Moosoo MT710. James doesn't seem impressed with that name. And it is a robot vacuum cleaner. So it basically goes around the floor by itself and will clean your house for you.
And if you have cats, this is the perfect cat toy.
Is it a perfect cat toy?
Yes, it is.
Okay, it's a perfect cat toy. So yeah, it basically has a 120-minute battery life, and it will just roam around your house. And
It's basically 2 hours.
it is basically 2 hours. It will just roam around your house and clean and suck up all the dirt. And it's got a 600 milliliter dustbin to take all the rubbish. So yeah, it's a smart vacuum cleaner. It has an app and it can be controlled by your home assistant. We won't say her name out loud because that'll just wake her up, won't it? But we'll see what it does. So yeah, in this video, what we'll do is we'll get it out of the box, have a quick look at it, and then we'll set it up and play with it and see how it works, and hopefully not terrify Dougie with it. These come out. Ooh. There we go. Ready? Oh. This is where we lose the camera at the front.
Yep.
There we go. Look at that. I like how that's presented. That's really quite cute, isn't it? Like the little robot guy.
Yeah.
That's cute. That's shown a bit of effort there. Also, we've got a little letter from Moosoo. What does the letter from Moosoo have inside it?
Instructions.
Oh, instructions. Okay, so that is our Moosoo instruction manual. We'll have a little look through that shortly. What's this? What's this? What's this?
A cable.
So that is the mains adapter. 19-volt power supply. There we go. Okay. James is skipping ahead of himself there. What have you got there, James?
A TV remote.
It's a TV remote. It controls your TV as well. Does it really?
Actually, let's try it. Give me money.
Gives child money. Let's have a look at the remote control. Okay, so it's a remote control for the Hoover.
Turbo. I want to see what that does
Turbo.
to Daddy.
Like and subscribe, like and subscribe, like and subscribe.
Power off. Okay, it's my video now. I'm gonna give very much away for Daddy's.
No. Okay, so let's just have a proper look at that remote control. So we've got a power button, some directional controls, a wall button, a spot button, a turbo button, and a full go button. Be interesting to know what those do. Right, this is where we start getting to the meat. Oh. Okay, this is quite heavy.
It doesn't. You're allergic to meat.
I'm not allergic to meat, I'm a vegetarian. Doesn't necessarily mean I'm allergic. Okay, so that is the robot itself.
What is that?
So this will be the washable filter. It's got a washable filter, and that's another part of the filter, I think. And look, these are the brushes that sweep away the crumbs.
This could be for my new. This could be for my hair.
Okay, so we'll get those out because we'll need those. And what have we got there, James? Have you got any idea what that is? I think I know what that one is.
Charging station.
Charging station. Okay, let's move this out the way just so we've got a bit of room to play. There. Okay, so this is the charging station. This is basically a beacon for the robot, and when it's running low on charge, it will return home and charge itself up. And it says something in the manual about needing to leave like a 1 meter radius around this so it can fully get in, and it seems to have some kind of brush as well.
alert.
Nerd alert. Dirty nerd alert. Right, okay, so let's get the whole thing out.
This is not a toy.
This is not a toy.
I know.
James, I must say again, this is not a toy.
Am I allowed to put my teddies on it?
You can maybe put your teddies on it. Maybe. Oh, so it looks like we've got spare brushes. That goes on there. That goes on there.
Spare brushes.
There we go. So that's crumb suckers left and right. And we've got a brush bar here. We've got two rubberized wheels. That's right. And directionally spinny wheel there. You can tell that I'm up on all the technical lingo on these old Hoovers.
I just enjoy.
You just enjoy. Now it can lift itself up over 2 centimetre high gaps. So if you've got gaps in between different floors.
So would it go across the gap I have?
Yeah, so James is talking about the gaps between the boundaries of the rooms. So yeah, we've got quite a big gap between our kitchen and living room. And yeah, it can go up to 2 centimetres. If you lift it, it feels quite weird. Just lift it really gently. Can you feel it coming up?
That's weird.
That is weird, isn't it? Okay, so I think we pull this. There we go. Oh look. Oh, so those are spare filters. So we've got one in there already. So it's ready to go. Excellent. So this, I assume, is where all the dust and debris go. And I think it's got like these little sensors at the front here to stop it bashing into things.
Okay.
Okay. Right, so let's. Should we peel off the plastic? That's quite satisfying.
Not when I do it.
Not when you do it. Oh, okay. Moosoo. Oh, some people really like that sound.
Oh, it doesn't sound.
And now we just sort of let ourselves off to be a fingerprint magnet. Shall we see what happens if we turn it on?
Yeah.
Okay, well, I think what we'll do is we'll get it charged up and then we'll have a little play with it. So we let it charge for literally a few minutes and I may have turned it on while it was on the table. And I did. So I thought it works on the table, so we'll give it a little go and set it loose on the table and see what it does. And it's also a good test to see if it can work out the boundaries of the table, because well, obviously we don't want it flying off the table. So what we've done is we put some sprinkles on the table, and we'll see A, if it hoovers them up, and B, if it falls off the table. I mean, it'll be a very short vlog if it just falls off the table and explodes in flames. But we'll see. Fingers crossed. And also I've got some oats here as well that we'll chuck down.
Porridge.
Porridge, yeah, I've got some porridge oats, and we can see how it works on that as well. We will do like a proper test in a bit, but this just seemed like a bit of fun. So ready? Now it's just throwing sprinkles at us. But it is moving around the table.
It threw sprinkles at us. But the orange oats.
Let's put some porridge oats down on the table. You know, that's sort of quite a good.
Soon gonna be happy.
It's quite a good dusty simulation.
Oh, it's like that. Ow!
There he goes. Yeah, there we go.
Now it's flinging orange oats and porridge oats. Oh yeah, you can see them all in the vat.
It's doing the job. Obviously, when it's on the floor, it won't launch them off the edges, because we've got edges, and this will go into the corners and eventually get them. But I mean, it's picking stuff up.
You can see all the stuff in the vat.
Yeah, you can see it collecting the stuff in the back. That's quite interesting. It's doing a grand job.
I'm just trying to get some of the sprinkles.
And it's actually not all that loud, is it? Really, like Hoover sound-wise, it's not all that loud.
It sort of is.
No, I don't think it is compared to like a regular Hoover. I mean, I probably wouldn't have this running at night
Back to charge.
Oh, back to charge. So it's going to see if it can get home now.
And then after it can go loose.
Okay, so it's sort of slowing down. It's like, where is my charging base? This is alright.
It looks like a beetle.
It is like a little beetle.
But a beetle wouldn't.
See, it might not have enough room to work out where the charging base is because this table is not like a meter. So it might just have a panic attack and just throw itself off the edge in confusion. Right, move your hands. There you go. Oh, look, it's doing it.
Start charging.
Wow, that actually worked. That is amazing. Okay, well, it's cleaned up the table. I mean, some of the cleaning has been throwing it at us. But, okay, I'm intrigued to see how this works on the actual floor a bit later. And we've got to set up the app as well. So, yeah, we'll let it have a little rest and then we'll come back and see how it goes. Well, we're here at the sofa and we've got the Moosoo all set up on the floor. Now, we're going to install the app. So I thought what I'd do is I'd take you through the process of installing the app and then we can see the Moosoo.
Why can't we just use it without the app?
Because the app's like part of it. You can like tell it to do stuff. You know, it could make you a cup of tea.
Can we make it where it automatically takes me to bed?
Maybe it can automatically take you to bed. We have to download the app and see first.
Okay.
Right, okay, so on the packaging, there is a barcode. And then what we'll do is let me just turn it on so you can see my screen. We will scan the barcode. There we go. Smart Life. Okay, so it's going to install the Smart Life app. Share your smart device with your home members, maybe.
No thanks, because he looks like Donald Trump.
He does look a bit like Donald Trump.
I know.
That's why he said it. Okay, right. Where's the app gone? Open. Boop, boop, boop.
Sign up.
Sign up. Okay, yes, agree. Good, you won't tell. Right, okay, so we need to add device. So let's do that. Oh, look, we've got all the devices. What do we need? Is it a small home appliance? Oh, hang on.
What?
Robot vacuum. Okay. So we'll allow it. Oh, look, it's wants to know the Wi-Fi password.
We're going to hide it because we don't want people stealing our Wi-Fi.
No, don't be Wi-Fi thief.
Connecting network.
There we go. Oh, doing stuff.
Wi-Fi connected.
There we go. So what should we call it? What should we call it? Oh, here we go. Here we go. What offensive word is James going to call this little guy? Who knows? No, he has called it Bum Bum Nice Face. Right, fine. Let's call it Bum Bum Nice Face.
Yes!
Done. Bum Bum Nice Face. Right, Bum Bum Nice Place is ready to go. So let's just... Should we just turn it on?
Yeah.
Auto cleaning.
So it's doing a star zigzag clean. Oh look, can you see? It's building up a picture as it goes. Oi! Oh, she's going under the sofa. Oh lordy.
Oh no! We can see what she's drawing.
There you go. So you can see on the screen what she's drawing.
She's on the equipment at the moment.
Yeah, she's getting a bit confused by the camera stand. If you see the camera wobbling, that's why she's banging up against it.
Yeah, we got an awkward picture.
But she's slowly moving around,
Oh, look, we
building
can
up
see
a
the
picture.
battery.
Yeah, it tells you the battery life. Oh look, and in here we can set it up to work with our smart home device. There we go, so we can sign in.
Where is the Hoover?
And we can link the smart life skill with Alexa. That's pretty cool. Is it a bit stuck?
Under there, yeah.
Okay, right. Well, let's show a bit of it doing its thing around the living room. Right, so James, how do we get it back to the charging station?
Well, we have this button, what says home,
Yeah.
To charge.
and it's coming right on the...
There we go.
Stop charging.
Well, we got the robot.
Yeah, I think we need to give it a bit more of a play and sort of get to know the software and how it all works before we can offer you like some really good consumer advice. Yeah, it costs around about £175, which is a lot of money, but it does seem to be doing the job, doesn't it? Well, it's definitely picking up things, isn't it? So, yeah, I think what we'll do is we'll give the software a bit more of an investigate. We'll give it a few days to run in and we'll report back with a bit more information. Does that seem like a good idea? Okay, so before we go, I've got to say thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to
Like and subscribe.
And we'll be back soon for some more vlogging fun.
fun.
See ya!
See ya.